Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist from the Ultimate Love part. Jay says, I want my pound of flesh. Tension seems to rise in the JayKech ship as Jay vows to get his own pound of flesh from Roksie and Bolar. Following the strain between Jay and Arnold on this week's nomination results, Jay told Nkechi that he still feels betrayed by the nominations from Bolar and Roksie. According to him, he has passed some compliments to Rosie saying she was wearing my favorite color purple and I told her I wouldn't nominate her for that reason. He went ahead to swear on getting his revenge on them. Nkechi, who was clearly not comfortable with his man's reaction, calmly told him, but it was Kachi that nominated you, not Rosie. We are not sure what seems to be getting Jay upset about being on the nomination block. Could it be because it's the first time JayKech is facing possible checkout? Or perhaps he felt betrayed after pledging with some of the Love guests not to put each other up for checkout during nominations. This Jay won't let anything go. With the end of the season drawing nearer, it's no surprise seeing the Love guests react differently to nomination outcome. It is getting hotter in the Love part, and so the question is, how much more hits can the Love guests take? I really wonder. Look at Jay that has just been up just once throughout, once in 5 weeks. This is the first time he's up for possible checkout, and he's shaking, he's blabbing, looking for revenge. Okay. Let's watch and see what happens tomorrow during the eviction show. Let's see if he stays to fight another day. Okay guys, drop your comments in the section below, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.